Hello friends, today I will show you how to make this beautiful pattern. It is really easy to make and you can use this for baby blankets, hats, or even to make sweaters or cover-ups, anything you want to. So to begin, let's make a slip knot. Go around your finger twice, bring this one to the front, bring the other one, pull. Now you are going to work in multiples of 3 plus 3. So let's chain 33. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue. Now you will work on the third chain from the hook. Your first double crochet V-stitch will be in the third chain from the hook. So 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the same space, like that. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, make 1 double crochet V-stitch on the next stitch. So 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, skip 2, 1 double crochet V-stitch, chain 1, okay, continue until you get to the end. So I'm right here at the end, skip 2, make 1 double crochet on the last stitch. Now for the second row, chain 2, make 1 double crochet V-stitch into the chain 1 space of the double crochet V-stitch from the previous row. This is the first one. Now again 1 double crochet V-stitch into the chain 1 space of the double crochet V-stitch. You will continue this pattern all the way to the end, so use 1 double crochet V-stitch. Okay, this is the last double crochet V-stitch. Make 1 double crochet V-stitch into the chain 1 space, and right here you have the chain 2 from the very beginning. Just make 1 double crochet at the top, like that, chain 2, 1, 2, and the same thing, 1 double crochet V-stitch in each double crochet V-stitch from the previous row. Again, and you will continue until you get to the end. This is the last double crochet V-stitch. Make 1 double crochet on the top of the last stitch right here, and this is how it looks. So if you want you can always make this bigger. You just have to make a pattern of multiples of 3 plus 3. So I did 3 rows of pink. The other rows are just the same. Just repeat the last row, but you will change the color to mustard, and you can change the blue color too. This color is called blueberry. and the monster. This one is just monster. Okay, all right, I hope that you like this tutorial. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.